guys, welcome back to my Vlogmas day 3. Today is going to be an uneventful day. I have nothing planned. I'm not feeling the greatest. Today is kind of like one of those rest and recharge days because I did too much yesterday. And I'm kind of trying to fix this whole Christmas tree situation. So I had a tree that I used from last year. This tree is an artificial tree. I'm going to show you in a minute. It's an artificial, like a white tree. And my plan this year was to do Christmas like red and teal blue ornaments and then like candy cane decoration. So it's going to be red and black, red and white candy canes, and then teal blue. So my kids decided they wanted navy blue and blue. And I'm not feeling the tree at all. I did it because I wanted to make them happy. But then what happened was I put the tree together and then I realized that I left the stand for this tree at my old house because I moved right after Christmas last year. So I have no stand. I have to buy a stand, and I bought a stand and it was too small, and I can't, this stand came with the tree, so I can't figure out what size it is of the base of the tree that I need. So I'm about to throw this whole tree away because it keeps falling over, and this is like a Christmas emergency. And if I can't find a stand, I'm just gonna buy a whole other tree. But I'm gonna show you now. I didn't get enough decorations. I bought a 32 pack and a 16-piece pack, and I still feel like this tree is empty. So it's stressing me out. And I feel like I'm gonna probably go tomorrow because I'll probably feel better tomorrow, but go get some more ornaments or get a whole new tree. But let me show you what I got. This is probably going to be the funniest Vlogmas tree you have ever seen. So what we have here is my very minimal tree. There's literally 32 plus 16 ornaments extra on this tree, and you can't even tell. Like, you just can't tell. And then we bought a tree topper, but since the tree is not fully upright how it needs to be, the tree topper looks like she's on crack, folks. She's on something. She's has a hangover. No matter what we do to try to get this shit straight, it is flying off the tree. So it's a fucking Christmas disaster. Every time I pass by this tree, it stresses me out. I have this tree in a ghetto a ghetto arrangement to try to keep it to stand up, but I don't even want to get too close to it because it will fall over. And then I have like the little, what do you call it? It's too early for this shit. This is for, this is the little stockings. It's early. Okay. And then, so we have this ghetto tree that I have no idea what to do with. I want way more ornaments. I'm sick of a white tree at this point. I want a green tree. And I'm not feeling it at all. It's just, it doesn't make me happy. So tomorrow, all of this situation is gone. It's changing. And my kids wanted these color ornaments, this navy blue. I'm just not feeling it, like, at all. Like, I understand the concept, but I just, it looks bare to me, and it has a bunch of ornaments, and it just looks freaking bare. So then I put over here, this is not a house tour, by the way, this little arrangement on my wall of little frames. And I tried to do something here with the TV, but that don't look right either. The ghetto. So this is the worst. This is just so depressing right there. It's stressing me the hell out. So tomorrow, I think tomorrow what I'm gonna do is probably go to Hobby Lobby and get a few things because they have everything 50% off for Christmas. So we're really gonna make Christmas happen, and this ain't it. This ain't it. So I'm like not feeling the greatest today. I have fibromyalgia. If you guys don't know what that is, it's like an autoimmune thing, and everything hurts today. I'm just really tired, but we're just gonna do Vlogmas. We're gonna do a little holiday look. So I'm gonna do my hair and my makeup, and we could chit chat, and that's gonna be our Vlogmas today, and that's what we're doing. Okay, you guys, so I'm in a better mood than when I woke up having that tree disaster. And instead of doing a get ready with me, because nobody ever watches my get ready with me videos, Just kidding. But instead of doing a get ready with me, I am going to take you guys along tonight to see Christmas lights with me. So I'm going to be going, probably driving around my town. There's not much yet, but whatever there is, I will bring you guys along so you guys can see instead of a get ready with me, because that's boring. You guys always see me do get ready with me's. So we're going to go see Christmas lights and make it a freaking actual Vlogmas. So I'll see you guys in a little while. Alright, you guys, so I'm ready. I'm just wearing a little sweater because it's really cold outside and this lighting is not the greatest, but we are going to be going to look at the Christmas lights, and there's not that many in my town just yet. I think I live in a town where it's like a lot of older people, so I think a lot of them might be like out of town for visiting their families. So we will go and see what we can find, and I'll bring you guys along. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thanks for watching.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way.